Tax foreclosure process. If you own property in Michigan, you need to pay property taxes. If you don't pay your property taxes, your local government can take your property from you to cover the cost of back taxes. This video will teach you the basics of tax foreclosures and give you some tools to avoid having your home taken from you. This is especially important for people who own their homes outright without a mortgage or through an inheritance or people under a land contract, because people don't always realize that property taxes are still ongoing. Your taxes. Municipalities, local governments, assess a tax amount for every piece of real property each January. Your property tax bills come due twice a year, one in July, then a smaller one in January of next year. Because counties and towns don't always keep the best records, keep a record of all tax payments you make. Collection and foreclosure. If taxes aren't paid by the due date, then the city will send out a notice stating the amount owed, and interest will begin to accrue. The usual rate is 18%. This is a lot of interest. As the foreclosure process goes on, the interest can easily end up higher than the taxes due. As soon as you receive a collection letter, you have options open to you to help you pay and stop that interest from accruing. You can request an installment plan. There is a process to defer unpaid taxes for a year. There are interest and principal reduction plans. Cities can even agree to have a portion of the overdue amounts waived for some people with low income. These programs are available as soon as you receive the collection letter. Contact the county that sent you the letter as soon as you get it and ask to start this process. If the homeowner does not pay after receiving the collection letter and does not contact the county will then send a notice asking you to give a reason why the property should not be foreclosed on. This is a notice to show cause. This notice will trigger an informal hearing, basically a meeting with the county treasurer. During the hearing, talk to the treasurer about getting into a payment plan or tax reduction program. If, after this hearing, you still have not paid all of the back taxes and you have not entered a program or payment plan, the county will foreclose, meaning title will transfer to the county and they will sell your house at auction. Our goal is to avoid that. Let's recap. Start taking action as soon as you get the next assessment. Know your rights ahead of time and take action early, and you'll increase the chances of your being able to stay in your home. For more information, contact Lakeshore Legal Aid or head to Michigan Legal Help.